You can easily earn a lot of money in a blink of an eye, ranging from $1 to a whopping $25 for every single click you make with your trusty device via your phone or laptop and your internet connection. You can make all of your dreams come true and even multiply that amount as many times as you can imagine. And did I mention that this is ideal for novices like you and me, since you can make a ridiculous amount of money even if you have no prior experience or technical knowledge. You may literally go into this adventure with nothing in your hands because you are not obliged to acquire anything, making this technique completely free of price. There will never be any levies or any expenses. In this video, I'll show you how to make money online in just a few simple steps. Make sure to stick with me to the conclusion of the video and don't skip any of the processes because I'll go over each one in great detail. If you're worried that this is too good to be true, I've got something for you because I'll also show you real-life instances of how to go with this. You don't have to worry because I'll be there to lead you every step of the way. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. So first and foremost, I want you to go to the website moreniche.com. To give you a little history, Moreniche is the world's largest health affiliate network with millions of dollars distributed to hundreds of thousands of individuals since 2002. Speaking about all over the world, this approach is generally available to anybody at any time and from any location, which means that no matter where you are in the world, you may earn money quickly and effortlessly. Anyway, on their homepage, click on this one right here that says brands, and you'll be brought to this website where you can learn about the products you may promote in the health and wellness industry. As you can see, they are high-paying, high-converting, and high-quality businesses, thus their services are established, increasing your chances of entering the affiliate program. Now I want you to scroll down the page and discover these different brands right here with huge and popular names like Black Wolf, Brutal Force, Fengold, and many more to find on this page that you will promote to your friends and family, colleagues, and absolutely everyone you know. Once you've done that, you will get paid a ridiculous amount of money in commissions, and to top it off, this strategy is completely free and requires no investment. All you have is pure profit and you didn't even have to do anything tough to achieve it. Among these brands, I want you to concentrate on the one that you can see as you scroll down to the bottom of the website, which is called Zotrim. This is the one that will pay you a lot of money. People all around the world are satisfied with the income they've earned thanks to this very effective approach, and you may be one of them. Stay tight because I'll show you how to make money with this method. Right now, I want you to simply click on the Zotrim and you will be taken to this page, which is basically Zotrim's website already. As you can see right here on their homepage, you're greeted with these words right here that says, you can earn a massive 40% per sale as commission income, which is actually quite large. So by this point, you must be curious as to how you can exactly achieve this. First and foremost, as previously stated, you can join the affiliate program for free and begin marketing the various products that Zotrim has to offer, which you can find right here on their official website. Before we go any further, let us take a look at what Zotrim is and what types of products they have to offer. According to their website, Zotrim is a professionally proven appetite suppressant that aids in weight loss by reducing hunger and cravings. Because it is clinically established, it even outperforms prescription medicines and trials, implying that Zotrim users can lose weight much more quickly. And if you go down to the bottom, you'll notice these three packages that they offer. First, a 30-day supply for $50, then a 2-month supply with 1 month gratis for $100, and finally, a 3-month supply with 2 months additional supply for free for $150. Now, before you go any further, let me make it plain that you will not be purchasing any services or anything here or anywhere else in this video, since all I want to do is help you make more money online. Instead of buying, you'll be selling and promoting these three packages to persuade others to buy them. Zotrim is a really intriguing brand that is extremely easy to market because of its very effective goods as displayed on their website, as well as a fast and free shipping feature. Let me tell you that the free shipping feature is a huge motivator for people to buy their products because it only means one thing. You can market this product to anyone you know, regardless of where they live, and you can earn a whopping 40% commission. Your earnings are literally limitless and you can receive this amount over and over again. You can also navigate through this page to learn everything you need to know about the brand, advertising resources, brand languages, sales tracking and reporting, promotional terms and payment methods and schedules, and I'll tell you everything you need to know about the payment scheme at just the right time. So they'll pay out every 1st and 15th of the month, and they'll accept a variety of payment methods in a variety of currencies, emphasizing their accessibility and ease. Alright, if you appreciate this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go back to the video. So at this point, I'm going to show you how to get started with the affiliate program by clicking on this orange button right here that says Join More Niche to promote Zotrim. After clicking on that, you will be taken to this page where you can fill out all of the necessary information to create an account. They'll ask you what partner type you want to register an account for, and I recommend choosing affiliate. After that, it is very self-explanatory because you'll simply fill out your first name, last name, email address, and create a password. After that, simply check the boxes below to accept the terms and conditions as well as the network regulations, and you're good to go. Once you've created your Zotrim account, I recommend that you go to findaforum.net, which is the most comprehensive online directory for public forums. Now go to the categories area where you'll notice these distinct categories with matching forms, since you'll be promoting Zotrim, which is a wellness product. Because that's what the product is about, I want you to click on dieting and weight loss. By joining these public forums about weight loss and dieting, you'll be able to make some contacts and networks. Because these forums are made up of people from all over the world, there are hundreds of thousands of people that participate in them. Therefore, I encourage you to join as many as you can to broaden your coverage and reach more people on the platform. Now I want you to pay attention because this is where you will put some genuine measures in place to create money. Are you excited? Then strap up and pay attention. As I previously stated, you will join as many forums as possible to build more contacts. Now I would want you to register for a free account by simply clicking on a forum. For example, you may sign up for an account by creating a username and filling it out in the form provided, then creating a password. And now you have an account for this forum right here. You can do this as many times as you want since you'll be joining as many forums as possible. Now that you have your account and affiliate link, all that's left to do is generate money. And how can you do that? As promised, it is as simple as visiting a forum and writing a few phrases with a few pieces of advice on how people might lose weight quickly. And on your tip, you're going to send them to Zotrim so they may look at their stuff and possibly buy anything. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.